So 3.7, order of operations. They say do the parentheses first, then do the exponents, multiply and divide left to right, abstract left to right. And so I'm going to show you which is correct. You do the exponents left to right, you do the parentheses left to right too. Unless you have a parentheses inside a parentheses, then you do the inner parentheses. But anyway, so say you got this really brutal question here. And if the last thing you're doing is adding and subtracting unless it's inside a parentheses, well, just bring them down. I'm going to bring down the minus and the plus and the minus and the plus, and just think of this whole thing as a train. And these are boxcars, like the 6 squared, the 4, the 2, all that, and then the 12 divided by 4 times 2, and then 3. So just get your answers for each boxcar. 6 squared is 36, the 4 is done. You do the parentheses first. Inside the parentheses, I'm going to multiply. That's 14 minus 12, which is 2. And when a number is next to a parentheses, that means times. So 2 times 2 is 4. So this boxcar is worth 4. You go left to right. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Times 2 is 6. Anyways, you got those. So then, rather than going left to right, I like adding up all the positives, which is the 36, the 4, and the 3. Then add up all the negatives, the 4 and the 6, and then just have my fight at the end. Here's my good guys, here's my bad guys, and now let's fight. So, anyways, number 3, I could brought my plus down, but anyways, 30 plus 3 is 33. These problems are super easy compared to this thing. 5 squared is 25. I'm gonna go left to right here. You get 3 plus 25 is 28. Here's showing it my way. I'm gonna add up the good guys. 31 minus 3 is 28. You do either way is fine. You divide and then add. Number 12, you're gonna divide first and then subtract. You do the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you're gonna multiply, then add. And 48 divided by 6 is 8. You do the parentheses, 6 minus 2 is 4. And then, are you gonna add or divide? Well, you're gonna divide first, and so you get 8. You do the parentheses first, and then exponents. You do the parentheses first. Oh, so if I do the parentheses here, I get 8, and then 24 divided by 8 is 3, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So that's where I put the parentheses to get an answer of 7. 320 divided by 8 is 40. I just rounded. Estimate the quotient. I'm going to round to something I can divide by 8. 320 is awful close. I just did the front end estimation stuff there. Number 30. Write the value. Well, that's just 32 plus 56 is 88. So here you copy. This is an algebraic expression because you have letters. They're variables called variables. They're just placeholders, and then you substitute in the values for the variables, like n was 3, m was 7, and p was 7. And now you're just doing order of operations. You can do both these on the same line. You can do the parentheses here and then the exponents here and just multiply. So anyways, there's lesson 3.7.